We are here with Dr. Zhang, a professor at the Chinese Academy of Sciences in the Laboratory of Photochemistry. We are going to discuss his study titled A Synthetic Manganese Calcium Cluster Mimicking the Oxygen Evolving Center of Photosynthesis, which was recently published in Science magazine. So, Dr. Zhang, can you explain what this publication is about and what your team tried to accomplish?
Yes. In this, we are trying to make actually model complex to mimic the natural system. Before actually, the people know the structure, the detailed structure, but nobody can mimic the structure of the natural system completely. So our idea is to get chemical model complex close to the natural system to mimic the real reaction in chemistry. Yes, this is our idea.
Okay.
And also related to all this work are being published in this paper.
And what methods did you use to achieve the study goals?
Of course, it's chemistry synthesis. So this is the first step. So we have make the chemicals complex. And the second step, we have to analyze the model complex, such as we use electrochemistry and also some technique, such as electroparametric resonance technique, to demonstrate the properties, the physical properties of the model system. So we are lucky, based on all this study chemistry and physics, so we can find our model system is very close to the natural system. Not only the structure, but also the properties. Thank you.
Okay. And what are some challenges your team encountered?
Yes, there's many, actually many. But there's, I would say there's maybe 3 points. So the first thing is how to synthesize such a model system. Because nobody can mimic such natural catalyst before. So we work very hard to develop the method for synthesis. Actually, I have the idea actually almost 18 years already.
Okay.
And we tried in different way at different time. And 3 years ago, we have some idea after the structure come out. Okay, this is the method. The second thing, how to find it. So we have the model complex, but we can't find it. So we don't know the chemical and physical properties of such model complex. So this is take a long time to find out which one is our really wanted. So this is the second. The third one is we find the model complex is very unique, like the natural system, because it's very unstable, it's very oxidizing, so it can be destroyed by many things. For example, if you have water molecules there, if you have some methanol there, so the complex can be destroyed immediately. So it's very hard.
Okay.
So yes.
Why is this project important and applicable for the medical industry?
Okay, I have to say, I think the project is very important, but for the moment, I have no idea why it's important for the medical industry, actually, I have to say, to be honest. Because for me, it's basic science. Of course, maybe it can be used for the future. For example, for the energy conversion, solar energy, something like that. But I have no idea for the medical industry, I have to say. Yes.
And why would it be important for the physical science?
Uh, yes, it's very important questions. In the lecture, the water splitting reaction is one of the most important processes in the lecture. In the world, there are many scientists, including myself, have been working in this field for a long time. Yeah. And there's many mystery we still don't know. So this is, I say, all this is basic science. And of course, it's also important for the solar energy for future, because now we have the energy problem, environment problem. So if people said, if we can convert the solar energy by split water to form something hydrogen or electronic, it would be really good for all the human beings, in the world.
Okay. And after finishing this project, what other projects come to mind for the future?
Actually, there's many projects can be done. I would say it's just the beginning point. So for myself, now I'm working to optimize the catalyst. I would say the catalyst, because it really can split water on some certain condition. But I don't think it's the best condition now. So we have to find the best condition, best structure. So this is one point. The second for myself is we want to get into water splitting in the future. I use this kind of artificial complex. So that would be really great if we have it.
Okay.
Yes, that's my answer.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for your time. Once again, this is Dr. Zhang, and you can find the publication mentioned today titled A Synthetic Manganese-Calcium Cluster Mimicking the Oxygen Evolving Center of Photosynthesis in Science magazine.